Hello and welcome everybody, and in today's episode, just before service we have ladies Raleigh, and that's how the bike looks now. It's not old bike, it has season or two, but as you can see guys, from the condition was left outside for winter time, and that was left of it. That's how the bike looks like if it's not under the cover, left outside. So everything have to be done, but the positive thing is the bicycle is completed. It doesn't have missing parts. Couple bits have to be replaced because they are rust away and they cannot be refurbished or restored. This is aluminium frame with step-through geometry, so it's easy to access. It's medium size, steel fork. Wheels are 700, so in today's money is 29er. It's like a city cruiser bike, 3x7 speed, aluminium V-brake front and rear, and suspension seat post for the comfort. It's like a medium range bike, not cheap but not expensive either. Lots of unnecessary accessories on the handlebar and everywhere, which one has to be removed. So first thing, when we have bicycle like this, we have to lubricate the threads. So when we remove the parts, they're gonna be not stripped from the thread. Yep. So at the moment is everything. Please like and subscribe to see next episode how the bike looks like when it's done. At the moment, thank you very much, happy cycling, and see you with next episode. Bye.